Is your PC acting weird? Slow startup, strange pop-ups, or apps running by themselves? Hold on, don't panic. There's a hidden Microsoft tool inside your computer right now that can crush those viruses in minutes. Let's find it. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a fix. Here's how to open it. Step 1. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Step 2. Type MRT and hit Enter. You'll see a window pop up titled Malicious Software Removal Tool. Click Next to continue. You'll get 3 options. 1. Quick scan. Scan the most common infection areas. Fast and good for routine checks. 2. Full scan. Checks your entire system. Perfect if your PC feels heavily infected. 3. Custom scan. Lets you target specific folders. Choose full scan for best results. Then click Next. Now sit back. MRT is scanning every hidden corner of your drive. System files, temporary folders, registry entries, everything malware loves to hide in. Depending on your PC speed and file size, this could take a while. Grab a coffee or stretch while it works. When the scan is complete, MRT will show a summary. If it finds anything suspicious, click Finish to remove those threats instantly. Then restart your PC to finalize the cleanup. Pro tip: MRT doesn't replace real-time protection like Windows Defender. It just removes infections after the fact. So, make sure your Windows security is turned on and always avoid installing cracked or unknown software. And that's it. Your PC is virus-free again, smooth, clean, and safe. If this video helped you out, do me a solid. Hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment saying PC cleaned. It tells me this tutorial worked for you and helps more people find it too. Stay smart, stay protected, and I'll see you in the next video where we fix tech the easy way.